Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and this is the unboxing of the Pipsticks for September. I want to say, I don't know. We're a little behind. Like I got an email yesterday, like, oh, we thought that we shipped them, but we didn't. Sorry. So, few people weren't excited about that. So September 2023, yes, and this is the Halloween-ish fall kit, and I'm very excited about that because I love Halloween. They had a bunch of cute stuff. Good thing as always is that I mostly forgot what was in there. Ooh, tiny paper black cats, that's cute. And my witch name, let me see, my witch name is Luna Heartful. Aw, I like that. Again, this would be cute inside a Project Life pocket. The pole. Do I like haunted houses? That depends. When it comes to costumes, I never dressed up, but my kids do religiously. So it depends on what they decide. My favorite candy is Snickers, which, what is this? I think Reese's Cups, they just pay people for that poll. Love this. Do they have stickers like this? My magic potions. And then here inside there are spoilers. I'm not gonna show that here for the Hocus Pocus. And I love this alpha stickers. They are from the Stationery box, but that's too expensive. I would love to because it includes washi tape, and you know how I am with washi tape. Oh, these are labels that you can print. It's pretty awesome. Okay, so that's the little Pippi magazine they add to every yeah, to every kit. They changed the size recently. And let's see. I love the lack of sticker sheet of the packaging. Okay, so this one is called Beautiful Bookcase. I'm gonna look for something white. Ooh, I love this. I was planning when I saw it to like frame it and put it in my bookshelf that it's decorated for Halloween. And yes, Beautiful Bookcase. I love that. I can use that when I document about, organizing my bookshelf and decorating it with Halloweeny stuff. Love the love spells, the little books, moon dust, crystals, a little cauldron. Okay, and then we have this one, which is called Magical Mediums. Oh, I really like this one. I honestly didn't even remember this sticker sheet. I think I forgot most of it. But I love those little black stars. I would just buy one sheet with little black stars. So, love the crystals and the flowers, the crystal balls. These potion ones are exotic ingredients. And we have ghosts, that's pretty cute, a frog, a scorpion, some crystals, another frog, or ghost, scorpion, mushrooms, a little snake, bigger snake. And I liked how they tried to fill out these little spaces with sprinkles. I'm a big fan of sprinkles. And then for this one, you don't need background. Craft your life till afterlife. Oh, I love that so much. Here lie my many unfinished craft projects. Dang, that was a dig. Rest in stickers. Run with scissors one too many times. I never do that. Oh, and this one, the exotic ingredients, it's a limited edition, which means that you can only get it with the kit. Oh, these are really cool. It's called Ghost Town. And again, you get more little sprinkles, but this time it's bats and pumpkins, a little moon. This is so cute with the boarded doors. They could be a little bit rickety. These are bougie haunted, like ghost houses. They still look pretty nice. They're really pretty. Love the colors too. Okay. And I thought that these letters were from the stationery kit, and I was wrong. Made the cut. Don't have numbers, but I still really like them. They're pretty cool. Probably won't use them for Project Life. I don't think they fit that vibe, but definitely will use them. Love them. If I could get a few more sheets of this, I would be happy. We have another limited edition, which is hot potted plants. That's so cute with the lily of the valley and flowers and what do you call those bellflowers? I forgot their names, but oh my god, I had one of these and it died. Like every plant I ever owned. But little potions is so cute. More sprinkles and mushrooms. So cute. Oh, I'm excited about this one. Spooky Little Things. I am obsessed because these are way tinier than the ones I get from Target. And I'm gonna get those real quick. Okay, here are the ones from American Greetings. The size, and this one are like the size of my nail. I'm 4'11". My hands and my nails aren't that big, but they're so tiny. And spiders, spider webs, little cauldrons, crystal balls, eyes, bats. Real cute. I'm very excited about the ghosts and the spider webs. The rest are pretty cool too, but those are my two favorites. Let's move. And then we have this Haunted Hobbies basic witch. This is so cute. Oh, I'm too close. And these are like friendship bracelets, or just bracelets made with, you know, beads. We have glue, crayons, little pom-poms and eyes. These are so cute. And the crayons, those are pretty cool too. And I got this one and I'm excited. I honestly liked all of them. I wasn't going to be sad if I got any different ones. Okay, and then we have, okay, none of those were limited edition, right? No. These two so far. And this one is Are You Feline Lucky? And this is so cute. I'm going to have to hide this from my little one because she will steal it. It's so cute with like the little paw with the eye and the fish and the little Ouija board. This is so cool. I think this is one of my favorites. It's so cute. Okay, and then we do have these hearts and eyes, and it's called Eye Contact. They're pretty cool. I really like them. Kind of spooky. And oh, it has one of my hairs. Wait, there's too close. Yep. Oh, I love these. These are so moth beauty to see, and this is another limited edition. They're pretty cool. I thought it had a third eye, but it's like a little moon on her forehead. I don't know if you can see it. With little moths. These, I love these so much. Okay, your favorite one. This is honestly, I love every single thing I've seen. This is kind of weird. It's called Grab a Bite. I like it. It's weird, but in a cool way. And it's another limited edition. So that's 4 so far. It's pretty cool. Oh, with little, and the sprinkles is the flies. That is so cute. And then we have these totally magical that I honestly didn't care about when I saw them in, you know, the Instagram feed. They do a lot of spoilers. If you subscribe, don't follow them on Instagram because you're gonna see everything. And if your memory is good, that's gonna suck for you. Unless you don't like to be surprised. So very cool. Lots of sprinkles, little candles, the crystal bowl, the snail, the mushroom potions. So cute. I like this one. Okay, so yeah, and I showed. I think this has been my favorite postcard so far. It's really cool, and this has to be my favorite sticker too. It would have been way cooler to make it like with glitter or hollow, but I don't think that ages well when you put it in bottles. So, okay, so I have to pick my 3 favorite ones. Let's see, let's put them all, try to put them all in the frame. And I have to pick my 3 favorite. Okay, so I am going to start with, I love this one, I already said that, but I'm gonna start, my number 1 is So Moth Beauty to See. These are just way too cool. And man, there are so many good ones. I'm gonna pick these tiny ones because I'm gonna get a lot of views out of these. And the third one, I love the cats, but I love this magical mediums. I'm gonna go with magical mediums. Sorry, cats. Don't attack me. So cute. Let me know which ones were your favorites. Again, this is $18. I think the kit is $17.97. They don't charge for shipping. I don't know if they charge for tax now that I think about it. But it's a great deal. You have so you have 8, 10, so if you have 14 sheets plus the vinyl and the postcard. So that's, and this little magazine is pretty cute too. They always have like a little printable or something with this sleeve. And honestly, such a good, I think this has been my favorite month yet. This one and very close, the very close one is the one with fruits. Those were really awesome. Next month, I was debating whether or not to get it. It might be one of those months where it gets to my hands and then I realize that it looks really pretty in person rather than on Instagram. It happened with the toes. I was like, that's gonna be in the no pile for me. But it's really cute now that I see it. It looks so happy. Relatable. That's how I look in boots. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what was your favorite sticker sheet or your item. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!